Good morning, student. Today, to start with our partnership topic, continuing our partnership topic, we are starting with merits of partnership. Now, there are 6 merits of partnership. Firstly, easy to form, as it was in the case of sole proprietorship. Partnership is also easy to form because there are no legal formalities involved. And when to become a partner of a firm, one should attain an age of 18. Now, large capital resources. Now, in case of sole proprietorship, capital was limited. That was the saving of the sole proprietor or arranged from the financial banks, etc. But in case of partnership, the capital of all the partners, the investment of all the partners are there. So, there are more resources available in partnership. So as compared to sole proprietorship, more capital and other resources are available in partnership. So business can be expanded easily according to the requirement. Now distribution of risk. In case of sole proprietorship, he was part and parcel and all the risk was borne by the sole proprietor. But in case of partnership, the risk is divided among the partners. As the profits are distributed among all the partners according to the agreed ratio, in the same way they share the losses of the business also. Due to the division of the business risk, they can expand their business and become capable of bearing more risk. Then flexibility. Like sole proprietorship, partnership business can also be expanded by the partner according to the requirement of the time and circumstances. Partners can change the whole business if it is in their interest. So partnership form of business were also very flexible. Next is balance decision. In case of sole proprietor, all the decisions were taken by sole proprietor, and the decision was unbalanced, hasty. But in case of partnership, depending on their specialization, every partner takes charge of different responsibilities. One can take charge of finance, one can take charge of marketing, one can take charge of purchasing, and so on, which helps in sharing of work. The decisions are taken selectively by partners, which help in better decision making and best utilization of financial and non-financial resources. Now, the most important is secrecy. As it was in case of sole proprietorship, the secrecy of the business is among the partners, and there is no need to publish anything for the public. Now, next is personal supervision. Partnership form of business organization is managed by the partners themselves, so that they establish their direct contact with the customer and employees are in a position to satisfy them according to the requirement. Thank you.